Hi, I'm back with another video, and this is a design team project for Sushi Dolls, and I used the gorgeous mixed media type Digi called Wind Through My Hair, and I think she's so pretty, and I'm happy that Susi released it and it's available for purchase because I really loved her when I saw her use it on some of her tags that she made a while ago. And I colored her with my Copic markers, and I added some crystal stickles to her eyes and to her pretty dress. And then I fussy cut her out, and I used the papers from the Vintage Flora DCW stack. And in this corner I have a doily, and I actually just wrote "Just Breathe," and I put some faux stitching, and I colored my Copic markers, and I put some crystal stickles on the letters, and it's what Drew Barrymore says in Ever After, and that's one of my favorite movies. This is just a piece of chipboard, and I'm just gonna put it in my office space, just as a reminder to just relax and everything will work its way out. I added stickles on the other part of the doily, and then I added a lot of wild orchid craft roses and flowers, and I put these heart beads. This is some trinket pearls that I tie into a knot. This is another flower from Wild Orchid Crafts. I put the trinket pearls. This is Webster's Pages heart trim, which I love. These are some fabric flowers, and I think this is a petaloo flower. I have some pink bling under here, and then I put the guar pure lace over, and this is a Wild Orchid Craft pearl. Some more trinket pearls I tied into a knot, or into knots, and this is a butterfly from Wild Orchid Crafts. This is a satin rosette. This is some pink lace, and then I put a Wild Orchid Craft pearl here, and these are some more of the heart beads, and then I have some fabric flowers that she's holding, and it's tied with some pearls. This is some Webster's Pages trim, and then some pink bling and some more Wild Orchid Craft roses. There's this pretty satin pleated trim, and this white kind of milk glassy iridescent halfback pearl, the Chinese braid in pink, a Stampin' Up! Cabochon, some more of the fabric flowers, and these are the millinery flowers that I showed in my haul. They're a little bit distressed, and then I have some more Wild Orchid Craft roses, a daisy, it's a fabric daisy, a petaloo flower, a Chinese, sorry, cherry blossom. This is a really pretty butterfly, and then this is the Wild Orchid Craft, what did you call it? Spray, and I kind of twirled it. I put some bead bling, bead crystal, flower cabochon, and I tied some of the May Arts lace here. So let me bring it a little closer for you to see. I call it, I guess the title is called Whimsical, Shabby Sweet instead of Shabby Chic. So Shabby Sweet, altered, kind of a hanging kind of display, so it's kind of hard to describe, but I like how it came out. So please check out Susi's gorgeous and adorable and awesome Digis in her store, and I'll leave all the information in the description box below. So thanks for watching, and I hope you have a really great day. Bye.